what's your favorite snack? If I was asked this question, I would answer with a cookie from the Dragon's Den. This is not a very good snack because it is not very nutritious and probably wouldn't even fill you up. I have a better option for you that is going to fill you up and is very nutritional. Today, I'm going to show you how to make protein bites. This snack is a nutritious and delicious option to make anytime. You do not even need to cook them. These can also be made for many different occasions, and you can make many different flavors. But today, I will be making peanut butter flavored energy bites. I have made protein bites oftenly with many friends and family members. We always enjoy making them, but especially eating them. Protein bites are a great snack if you are busy because you can just grab and go, even if you are in sports to give you extra energy. I think protein bites that you make yourself are a lot better for you and your body because you know the exact ingredients that go into making them compared to buying a granola bar from the store and not knowing because there's like 10 plus ingredients in them. I have chosen to make protein bites because I want everyone to be aware of a snack that is not only healthy but easy to make and delicious. The first thing we are going to do is make sure we're all prepared by gathering our ingredients and our utensils. So for starters, I have oats. I'll take the covers off these. I have honey. Then I have peanut butter, and you can use whatever kind of peanut butter. I'm using Smucker's All Natural. You can use chocolate chips. And vanilla extract, and this is very little amounts, it's hard to see. And for my utensils, I have 2 spatula scrapers, then 2 spoons, and 1 tablespoon. After you have all your ingredients, we will now start to add them together into a bowl. So first, we are going to add our oats. And these oats are very nutritional because they are a great source of vitamins, minerals, and fibers. Next, we are going to add 1/4 cup of peanut butter. And peanut butter is good in moderation, meaning that you shouldn't have too much of it, but it does have protein as well as fiber. And like I said, this also does depend on what kind you get. Next, we are going to add in 1/4 cup of honey. And honey is a great replacement for other sugars. It does have some benefits because it is so rich in antioxidants. Okay, hold on a second. As you can tell, honey is a little sticky. Next, we'll add in 1/4 cup of chocolate chips to make it a little bit sweeter. This is what it looks like so far. Last, we'll add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And vanilla can lower your cholesterol levels, so this can help if you are at risk for heart attacks or strokes. After you've added everything together, you will mix these together. And you can do this in many different ways, but I'm just going to begin by mixing with a spoon. And you just want to continue to mix until your peanut butter and the honey are mixed with the oats and all, like the solids and the liquids are mixed together. Okay, so I'd say I have it pretty well mixed up. And like I said, you can do this. Some people put gloves on and use their hands, and you can just do it whatever way works for you. There are many different techniques. Okay, so once you have it all mixed together, you start to form them into your little bite sizes. And for this, I'm just going to use a tablespoon, and there's also different techniques you can use for this. So to make them kind of even, I'm just gonna go in here and like push it up against the side to get it in the tablespoon. And then since it like sticks in there because I push it on it, I'm gonna use a spoon and just put it up like that. And this is what I did for all the ones that I pre-made over here. And you can also, there's different like, for ice cream, when you use a scooper, you could also use those scoopers, just depends on what size or shape you'd like. And the plus about this is that even if you mess up and you don't like the shape of it, you can just put it back in and you can start over. And another tip when you're putting it in here, I won't push too hard on it, so because then it's harder to get out. See, that one kind of fell, but let's do one more. And then after you usually do that, see, that was a fail, and then you can just put it back in. After you usually do that, you can put those in the fridge to just make them a little bit more solid, which I did with those, so they're easier to eat instead of them falling apart. Now you should have little protein bites like I have here. And as you can see, protein bites are very simple to make. I've chosen to make protein bites because I want everyone to be aware of a snack that is not only healthy but is easy to make and delicious. I hope you have now learned how easy it is to make protein bites. Hopefully in the future, you will choose to make protein bites instead of eating junk food. Thank you for listening.